pretty and nice. Yes, I. All of them here now, I go throw you in. Come on, all of them here gone in a pot here now. Come here to cook food, give the people them to them eat. I'm gonna look on them in a pan. Pretty. Put them on the fireside and go and keep warm. Rice and peas settings as we pray. When I put in rice in a pot, when you see it come above the water, you know say rice I go steam good. Fully active. What going now, peeps? Yeah, man, we're there up on the riverside. What do you say river name? I forgot to ask again, but if I not lie, they say river name Bobby River. Yes, Bobby over there, so uptown. Bobby, I know say come a country come get river. Man, come a country come own river, peeps. Yeah, man, but out where them call up that stuff? Percy. Retreat. Yeah, man, the river there, retreat. Nice little river, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, so soon show you that. But right now we are dealing in our kitchen. Some peas. So you know me I drop in some garlic in our peas, yardman style. Yeah, man, make it go and go cook. That's how we do it in Jamaica. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, outdoor settings. Look at the peas. Them are some round red peas. Yeah, man, some nice round red. Then go boil off you know, with some garlic. Fully active yardman style. You know, say, see it there? Yeah, man, this we are going to deal with rice and peas, and over here so we have some chicken. Yeah, we are going to curry some chicken and we are going to fry some chicken. So right now, chicken are going to thaw out. Soon as it done thaw out, we are going to chop them up and do fry some chicken and curry some chicken. So just do the right thing, subscribe to the channel, yardman style with there, whole heap of people there. You know what I mean? Soon showing them, but me I go and get everything active in our kitchen. Nice kitchen, me come here, come see them with you know what I mean? One good thing, me have to go look at my fire tick, look there. Wow. Jamaica, nice peeps. Yeah, man, it's just a nice female passing by, you know what I mean? In a real life, Riverside look like it I got active, so you know what I go on now. Me and the team, we just have to cook some good food and give them to eat. And that always happen, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, fully active, man. We outside, I do the right thing. Rice and peas, fried chicken. Rice and peas, fried chicken and curry chicken, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, fully active. Subscribe to the channel. We outside. I see chicken here now. Yeah, kind of a little bit tough. But you know, say, clean him out same way. Yes, and cut him up because our curry chicken and fried chicken. So me I go make sure it's skinny. Yeah, man, take off his skin. Yeah, that's me. And then I cut him up here now. What me deal with first? Fry or curry. Alright, I see what I go on with the fry. Yeah, man, see it? Then I have to fry. Yeah, man. Done. Wash them off back. But them there I go fry peeps. You know people love fried chicken breast. So I make sure I fry whole heap of the breast. Yeah, man, see? Yardman style. Yeah, man, just do one thing and cut them one way, and now same time I fry them. Each person can just get one in a them plate or 2 piece, and you know a thing set. Yes, man, fully active outside, man. I'm back in full colors. Yeah, you know, so my channel get suspended one at a time. Yeah, Cause I don't know who I report my video them and yo, a whole heap of thing I go on people. But no say, the new year, me there, fully active, fitter than before. Yo, person, me have a next knife there. You see it for me? Cause that, you see that knife for peeps? See the boat drop off, you see that knife yeah? Show them. The man you have here so. So like when the match chop, yeah man, I two of them looking at that pan there. Yes sir. That's a code. Yeah man, see how knife work. Yes. So knife work peeps. The knife they could work so see now you know. So all this bossing. See me? So first you don't know, you buy your mixed parts. I gotta clean them out. In a real life, make sure some clean out nice. Then me now, I don't like chicken skin. So I remove the chicken skin. Yeah man, you remove chicken skin and I remove the oily bag. So when you heat, nothing no bother you. No skin, no oily bag, I just straight good food. See pre? That's how you know. Alright. See that? Yes. That's a code. So I just go through, line up the set then when I go fry. And then I line up the next set. Bless. When I go curry. Yes, I go on with the fire now, Percy. Percy around there line up with morning. Percy around there line up with fire, you know. So you know it's a good look.
Fully active.
Yes, I.
Active my page. I'm on myself, you know. Christmas to you all and a prosperous new year when it come, yeah? Big up on myself. Active.
Yes, I. Chicken breast I look on now and a fat. Yeah man, I'm me man. Me there. Sir, boss. You them ask if me no know who. Sir, you pass and you see me. Yeah man. Yeah. Yes, Pips. No people them take time I reach in you know. So me do what me have to do. Look on them Pips, good amount of chicken in there you know. Chicken breast, chicken wing, chicken leg. You know the thing go. I wait it them. We fire it them.
Then they run the command, so we don't make this one ease up a little bit. You want to next fire?
Oh yeah man, you can't carry them in man. Or you left them on the crime scene. You what kind of man? We come here and see some fire tick and we use some fire tick and then take them and left them on the crime scene. Come push them on the fire man. I know we can see them. Yes, you need to hide. Alright, sir. So you say them the solid? Melissa blow them down. Don't go cut them up, alright, sir. Yeah, man, fully active.
Okay, that's good. Good. Move on.
Only patch chicken is fry now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 27. piece. Give them 130 piece of fried chicken. A 30 piece of fried chicken, my peeps. I have to just make sure it's meat clean up good. Yes, sir. Yeah, well, you just look into me and say you left them on the crime scene. So make you get him. No, I just show you the left them out there, someone. You see it.
Next thing again, I forgot to call them back out and chop
Hmm?
them.
No, but you can't chop them around there, someone. You can't chop them around them, man. Right. 30 a piece of chicken, this in a peeps. Them here, you know, can line up. You see how much peak. Line up, you know, if you curry some. When them chop up fine, whole heap of chicken. You want them here, clean out them here, and curry them here. You see, pray? Yes, I. Chop up some fine, you know. The curry. No, if you curry same way, you do the same thing. Skin my chicken.
One touchy pot.
Mm-hmm.
Sunrise of the sauce. Oh boy.
Yeah, man. So if I take them about shot, peas are catch color. Right. Then you know what I gotta do with my peeps. Chop up fine. For curry. Yeah, man, some curry chicken. You know that Jamaican love their curry chicken, you know. That one removes chicken skin. Fully active. Go over there, so. I wear so much chicken want to fry go. Don't you know, I cut up my onion, garlic, scallion and thyme and pepper with my jerk seasoning and chew on my curry. Oh God. Cause I can put on the curry pot, you know, cause the peas are pressure. So while the peas are pressure, you know, I can cook the curry. When the curry done, cook, the peas must done pressure so I can put in the rice and start fry some chicken. Forward to Jamaica and you want to experience something like this, nothing wrong. You can leave a comment or you can look in at the description. You will see my number or you will see my email address. Just send me a text and let me know what time it is and we can link up, cook some food for you and the friends and family. Yeah, man. in a real life. All if I one person too. Suppose you alone come to Jamaica and you want to experience something like this, the real authentic food. You can check Sunrise Boss, man. Not sure only one person. Still cook for one person. You know what I mean? Yes, I. If you know a friend I come, tell them about me. Where that's where they're gonna get the best food. Believe me. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, the best food right here. On the riverside. Cook from start to finish. You see everything. Just a season up and trust me. When the food done cook and you eat this food, yeah, it come like a meat season up 6 months ago. And as you can see, it just have a season up. Yeah, man, but cooking how me like, you know what I mean? And cooking like me too. Yeah, man, curry chicken. So let me know in the comment section if you love curry chicken. Let me know in the comment section which one of them you prefer today. The rice and peas with the fried chicken and curry gravy, or you prefer some curry chicken and rice and peas. Over there. Over there. Alright, almost done you know, you know. Yes, I almost done you know. I think I one piece left. If none left. Don't like chicken skin, man. When you season up the chicken with the skin, and the skin you season up and the chicken itself. So I like remove the skin and season the chicken. One wing left. Yes, I see it there. Feel like more teeth, 2 pieces of breast from out here. And chicken breast. Chicken breast. Alright, good with them. Look at this now, peeps. Good amount of chicken this one, this curry. And when them are fry, whole heap of chicken. You know what I mean? So, we check back this again, nothing in this. So what I'm going to do now, clean up my surface. Clean up my surface and then me start do some seasoning up. When we're ready to start do some seasoning up, me show you what time it is. Do the right thing, subscribe to the channel. Remember, tell a friend to tell a friend. First you run so you know I chop some fire tick. So we cut up the next fire, put on the curry, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, in a real life, we're outside. Do the right thing, you know what I mean? So do the right thing, subscribe to it. That a code. Fire burn ready up, peeps. Yeah, man. It's a good look. Pot the pan fire. Peas are boil. Yes, science. We're going in and catch. Hey, look at that, peeps. Nah, turn it over, man. Look at that. Yardman style. Peas are bubble. Yeah, man, it's a good look, man. Fully active. Line up now and catch our next fire there, so can put on the curry. First, you line up the next fire around this up, peeps. Yes, I. It's a good look, man. Soon showing up on the riverside. I know I don't want to see riverside, you know. I know I don't want to see it, but I have to reach somewhere in the kitchen first, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, when I put on the curry, I can go show you the river. Yard man style. Up, down. I mean, see venue, peeps, venue nice, you know. Whole heap of car can park and something. Outside, I do the right thing. It's that time, you know, my peeps. Yeah, man, season up, you know. Yeah, you know, when you season up, put on onion, garlic, scallion, thyme. I don't know how you season up your thing, you know, peeps. But this is how me season up mine. Yeah, man. Fully active, see, generally just a forward. That's a code.
Yeah, man. Code that.
Yes, I. There I do. What me do best? Cook some food. Alright, skin off the onion, cut up the onion, throw them over that. Some onion and pepper, scallion and thyme. Yeah, I too. Let me have more. Oh yeah, man, me have more onion. Cause me have some vegetable more steam. So you know, so me have to have onion to steam vegetable. Just I throw them in some water, get them clean, cut up. You know what time it is. Alright, see them here now. Wash off. You just cut them up to how you want to cut them up. If you don't want to cut them up, you can just fling them in it. But me I cut up mine. Onion. Onion is a must. Garlic, scallion, thyme, pepper. All of them there is a must. This is what we call yardman style. Now use a board to cut up the seasoning. Just I cut them up in my hand. Alright, scallion and thyme. You know you have to strip it off. And then you have to strip them. See, strip and take off what you don't want. And one of the panny. I see that now. Cut up time. Alright, see that? What is this? What is this? That good man. What is this? Pepper. Remember the pepper, you know where the pepper you come from? My farm. Remember the farm around at the back of my yard when I plant some pepper. Round them I pick off them off. You know pepper scarce. I go search around there and I find pepper. Yeah, you know curry, go with pepper. Yeah man. See you know? Trouble did there. Yeah man. Trouble did the peeps. You know you set to. You put some time. Cause you know it's what? Cooking time. Yeah man, and you know curry can't bad without what peeps. Curry can't bad without the ginger. Yeah man, you have to put in the ginger. Beat him up, wash him off, and cut him up fine. Yeah man, I don't like see ginger in a pot big like a piece of meat. No, if it's fine, cut it up fine with peeps. Yeah man, you see pea? Yeah man, dice you up. See him there? Alright. This is how you know me carrot. And yeah, me just a put everything in it. First you pass it jerk season the film, you know. Yeah man, cut up some carrot. Yeah man, jerk season and curry. Yeah. Better pack curry. You know that are the best curry. Yeah man, I have to check more time if the microphone on, you know, cause you know a thing go. You want to wash off and cut up carrot. So curry are gonna look pretty, taste nice, everything active. You must have said, so why you put everything pan here now you not put the season? Come on, everything to taste nice. So me I season up everything one time. You know what I mean? So you say peas done. Alright. But I say peas done cook. So we have Fabi me now. One Fabi there in a cup. Yeah man, you know it time we put on the pot pan the wood fire with Fabi. So easy for wash. Yeah man, see me. Carrot. See boss around us to show them what go on. Boss a Fabi pot. Come on, come show them what go on. Yeah man, that's how we do it, peeps. You rub some fab all over the pot. Don't rub it in the pot, you know. You have to rub it around the pot. When you put that pan in wood fire and you done cook and you wash it, you come back shine and pretty and nice. Believe no man, yard man style. You just rub some soap powder around it, my peeps. Pot there go be the rice pot. But say peas done cook, so I turn out the peas in that and cook rice and peas. Irish are cut up over here, so you know. I'm gonna find that pretty though. Pretty. We're not putting a sweet pepper yet. If I put piece of sweet pepper in it, you know, sweet pepper expensive, you know. Uh, yeah, active. Yeah, man, $1,000 a pound for sweet. $1,000 a pound for sweet pepper, you know, peeps. Yeah, yes, I see, you know, fully active. You say, are you a fans of curry? If you is a fans of curry, link up Sunrise Boss. Cook the best curry I had. And a cap. The best curry, me cook that. Look at that now, please. This is the jerk season in Jamaica. We call it jerk season. Look right here. So show them what I want. It's a pimento seed that just jump out tight. So this is the only thing you need to season up your meat. Trust me. You don't need no other season. You just need a jerk season. Alright, look at that. Rub everything together. Look on that, peeps. Yeah, man. See in there? Oh, God. Pretty. Give him some more jerk season. Rub. Look at that. Pretty. Time to do what you know. Curry. Yo, boss this stuff in me, please. I'm gonna bust up the curry and throw some curry over it, you know. Then the next time you see this, you know, up on the fire, they're looking at it pretty, man. It's pretty. Peeps, I tell him to bust the curry. He really bust it for you. Look at man chop off all our curry top. And you see when you're cooking curry, you have to just know the right amount of curry to use. Because we don't deal with white curry, you see it? Yeah man, curry for stay in plate, but at the same time, too much curry will make your meat bitter. So you have to just know what you do. But me say curry, stay in plate. Yeah man, curry stay in plate. I put curry over the meat and I put curry in the aisle. Fry up some curry in the aisle. You see pre? Yes I. Right, look at this now, peeps. I'm to them, I think I chattings. You know what this, you know? I don't feel me, I feel for this, you know, look at that. Pretty. On the gloves them. Corridor, stay and plate. Yeah man, this ready to go up on the fire, yeah, now, you know. Fully active. Fried chicken time for season up here now. Yeah. Same chicken me I deal with, so I can use back the same gloves over the chicken, you see it? Yeah. Got some bops. Over that. Get little fresh water. Rinse off your hand. Wow, too much. Alright, that's a code. Chicken time now. People never eat curry fried chicken. Percy, where's some for the curry some fried chicken? Throw curry over here. Percy say yes, beef. But here we are going. Me now go do it now. You see when we are going to cook one food, curry fried chicken. Show them what I go on. Look at these peeps. Yes. Same jerk season a season up everything. Everything it a season up. You just rub in a season. Yo. Look at this man. Look on this my peeps. Wow. Wow. Yes. And if you notice, when me a season up, I don't use no salt. Yeah, you have some people when them a season up, them use salt. No, this season already having salt. And you know, use look a chicken season that I give chicken them a nice look a pretty color. You ever see the difference when the chicken season rub on. You see pre try you know, you see look on the different you know. Chicken them get prettier now when the chicken season touch it. The great Maggie, the magic season. Look at that. Pretty and nice. And we still have something else sweet. This are the coloring season now. This make the chicken pretty, pretty, pretty. I go see what go on when we start story it. Look at this here now. I see our chicken pretty now. Extra pretty. Oh God. They never come like them season up from 3 months ago. Them just season up. Yeah man, look on that peeps. Fully active yardman style. Chicken ready for fry. Chicken ready for curry. Yeah man, over there so Percy I line up a rice pot. Now I mean throwing the milk and all of them soon show you what go on in that too. And I go put in some pepper and scallion and thyme and all of that. But them I done season up you know my peeps. So it's a good look. Fully active yardman style. Do the right thing and subscribe to the channel. Riverside active. Riverside active. Right now the fire I know want to catch up so we can put on the curry chicken you know. Yardman style, you know what I mean? Yeah man, outdoor cooking here. Me say me come see a nice little kitchen. See what them do? Them get the river stone and just go suburbs and pot them up and get ashes and put in a middle and put on them. And what this? This come like is all a engine either transmission business or what I don't know. But it a work. You know what I mean? Yes, sir, it's a good look man. Next time you see this a fire, you know, so the curry party I go see respond this. Fully active. So the rice pot big. Yeah, man, put 110 pound of rice in this you know. Yeah, so start boiling coconut milk and everything in him. This is the real authentic Jamaican cooking. Outdoor settings. Fully active. Time for put in the meat, looking at the pot, they look the papes. Yeah man, me have ginger and garlic about. You know, take out them ginger there for me. Yeah man, see I take out the ginger then. See all them ginger they throw in a rice pot. Yeah man, throw ginger in a rice pot man. Make food nice. In a real life. Alright, see that? Me I pick out the meat you know, because I don't want to throw in the carrot and the Irish them in it. Some of them maybe get way, but you know, I left the carrot and the Irish to cook down the gravy. Some normally me da cut up the carrot and the Irish last, but me just decide to do everything one time and get them out right away. So I have to just pick them out now and throw in the pot. It's like yardman style. A curry I go bad. So I make sure I burn some curry. I make sure I burn some curry in my piece. And make sure I put some on the meat. I see spoon, get a spoon. The one when I no hole. Yeah, take out look at the water, yeah. And throw over it. Full of craft. Yeah, cause you know the curry is a powder way. it dry. So you not throw in a pot, you have to tip a little water and cover the pot. You can go and go cook and fry down, you know what I mean? Yes, sir. Alright, that's supposed to good story in here now. You see? But I rice pot, me take that a water there. So everything have to taste nice. Believe. You see, looking at this now. Then and when the gravy, when the meat cook, and I go cook down the gravy, I throw in all of them here. Let them cook down, you know what I mean? Fully active, yardman style. This ready for your rice here now too. Now go wash the rice and put in at the pot. Cover this. So I give it more water and say dry. Just throw him over all and for cover the pot, he might go sweat. Alright. That's a code peeps. Line up here now, wash your rice and put in a pot, rice pot ready. Do the right thing, subscribe to the channel. Now line up here now, you know. My peeps, and wash the rice. You know the thing go, drop on back two fresh gloves. Right. See you know. See? Yes sir. In Jamaica we wash our rice. Yes sir. If we even have enough water, we try our best and wash it for even one time. When we have enough water, we wash it as many times. Especially free look rice so we buy like a shop pound rice. But it's like them rice here to be honest, them clean. So you can give them one wash and you're good. You know what I mean? But free rice at Jamaica where we buy pound. You have to wash that and wash that and wash that and wash that to get a good heat. And feel steam good. Alright? I want to see look on him pretty. Yeah, man. Washing. Chew off water. One day if I find a soak away, I see one hole yesterday, so I throw in the water. I don't know if I soak away. Yeah, we'll see. Just do one more wash and that's it. As I say, all my rice you can just wash them one time, but when you think we have whole heap of water, so I do one two wash. So when I put him in a pot in steam, good and nice. Chew off water. Put rice in a pot, sir. Fully active. Rice and pea settings as you pray. When I put in rice in a pot, when you see it come above the water, you know say rice I go steam good. If you put in the rice in the pot and you don't see the water, you don't see the rice come above the water, you know what that means, you know, peeps. The rice have been too much water, rice I go spoil. And yeah man, you see good man, I igloo wash the rice in a man. If me not have no wash the rice, I may have igloo to put ice in and I don't get the ice. What should I do? That's why I say you have to be fully active. Wash the rice in the igloo and wash it out back. And when the ice come, you throw it in the igloo. Can't store it, you know. Rice and peas set to lift paste. Nothing now waste, nothing now dash way. You knock it to one side. Scrape out everything. That's a code. Yeah man, look on that paste pretty. Watch out, then find a way. Yeah man, fully active man. Yardman style, you see it? Subscribe to the channel man. We're going in a rice pot here now. Yes I see it there. Rice are steamed done nice man. That's a good look. Curry pot did so active. Right now, I line up to start do a fry some chicken. In the pot, then me have pepper and me have a onion. Yeah, man. Let them fry up, give oil a little buzz. Flour my chicken them here now and put in a pot. Now the curry pot now, I put in the carrot and all of my stuff them what they left over in the pan. I go throw them in the pot there now. Yard man style. That's a piece. Real outdoor cooking. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, fully active, man. Love the local river vibes. Since me there, you know, my two sister, my brother just pull up. So soon show you them cause them they dump on the river. But all the people there, my father soon forward. Same way too. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, fully active. Yes, I. That a code. Mm-hmm. On fire bun. Red and nice, my peeps. The right thing. Subscribe to the channel. Season up my curry pot you now. Flour some chicken and put in the pot you now. Then you know say me only have some vegetable to steam and the eye don't cook. Believe. Right? Okay. When you fry up in a pot, you know. That's a good look. So you know that ready for your chicken. Over here, so. Wow. Look for the curry. Pretty and nice. Yes, I. All of them you know. Now go throw you in. All of them gone in a pot you know. Yes. So you know a final touch business me gonna deal with pot ya. Get some water and you rinse them out. Yeah man, get some water and rinse out so you get out all of your seasoning and throw in a pot. Yes. That's a code. And you throw your final seasoning in whatever you want to season up the pot with. You know what I mean? Me just use some Maggi and some other season when I not tell you. Because I don't want you to take with me style throwing a pepper in that. Yes, I make this one go cook down now. You see when this cook, I don't know normal my peeps. Yeah man, look on the top, you can see the pimento seed them a swim around. Yeah man, fully active. Line up your now and flour some chicken. You know what the thing go. Cover pot. Cover pot you know and time for flour chicken. See it yeah? Flour. You want to throw out your flour. Japan. Japan back of gloves. And normally when I do sometime, I just like when they on the fire long time, I just move him and put one side. Look at coloring season. Then I go flour chicken now, peeps.
Line season no.
No man, the pan chicken already. That's why I want to cook salt chicken.
That's why I wanna cook. Never fry chicken behind the salt there, boy.
No, cause I a season it.
Why, boy, you see?
I a season it, so you know I go salt.
Hey,
Yes,
people,
peeps.
here, boy.
Mm-hmm. Alright, see me now. Well, flour, a tile, a tile, a tile. Now I'm playing with them peeps. A tile, a tile. This is how we do it in Jamaica, you know what I mean? Or I should say this is how me do it in Jamaica.
Turkey like that.
Big and fat, deep, deep fry. Me I go deep fry them, you know, my peeps. Yeah, man. Rest on back this year now.
Put over back after.
Go on a tile.
Jam don't come.
It good. Me turn over my pot of chicken and me a fry, you know, you. And me a fry it, you know, you. Alright, see me. And still come like you can take more chicken for you know peeps. Cause when me a load up chicken pan, me no ramp, you know. Yeah man, me no ramp man. If me turn over a pot of chicken, I feel my fault. If me put you away there and it turn over, would you admit it's your fault? No, you take long for answer, so you would admit it. Alright, chicken in a pot. Chicken in a pot. Yeah, man, you know so much chicken can go in a pot. You not come here to waste time. You not come here, you not come here to waste time, you know, my peeps. Alright.
Can't take too
You not come here to. Come like, this other man a cook. I a cook, sir. I smoke about what me I. Come like, this man cooking, sir. Yeah, man. See him there now? That a code, you know. Yeah, man. Cover up pot, you know. And make chicken go. Boil in a oil. Then you open pot and make chicken fry in a oil. You know them craft there? Yes, I believe, no, man. What else, you know? Cover up pot. So what I go on here, so? Well, move the curry. Wow. Look at that. Curry pretty. Curry pretty. Pretty. Take a story of a rice pot and see what I go on. Over rice, me there. Whoa. 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 Yeah, man. You have to story him up in my piece. Make him swell in a pot. Story him up, make him get mad and start swell up. Yo. Fully active, you know. Yo, this fully active, you know. Yeah, man. Have it taste good, man. Alright. This now want nothing more than some mouth for me half. That's a code. Let me taste what go on in the curry pot and seal it off. Taste if you want. Aye, no. Smell, you know. You know smell, you know. Come like you want nothing. It smell good. Yeah, man, I'm active, man. Yeah, man, that's a code. Just do right thing. Subscribe to the channel. First set of chicken this, you know. Done fry. Yes, sir, you think now waste time? Now waste no time. Come here to cook food, give the people them for them eat. I'm gonna look on them in a pan. Pretty. And well fry. Seasoned to the bone. Drain off the oil. Pan them man with them pretty man. Load up the pot again with one more set. Think around 3 sets of chicken now to fry. And then chicken done fry. Steam with vegetable. And then you know say food done cook. You can put on gloves and flour, some more chicken to kill. So, see them here, so? You're going to go fry out in the oil. So the chicken and look babes, look on them. Pretty. Yeah man, pretty and nice. Put them on the fireside and go and keep warm. See flour there under there, so. First I go flour some more chicken. You put in a pot. And then you well soak, you go look so. You're good. And then hard man style. And man load them up. Fully active over here, so. I deal with some vegetable. Yeah man, you know we are gonna steam some cabbage and carrot together. Some steamed vegetable. You know what I mean? Yeah man, so yard man style. Just a thread the cabbage in my hand. You know what I mean? Yes, I. This is how we do it. First over this I put in some more chicken in a pot. Yeah, man, load him up. So when I done now, I put on my carrot pan this, I put on my little onion, my scallion, my thyme, my little pepper, my season it up and put it on the fire. That's steamed vegetable. Yard man style. Rice done cook, curry done cook, chicken a fry, vegetable fish steam. It's a good look. When I'm done with this, I make you see final touch. I put on my carrot and all of them the pan, you know what I mean? Yes, I. But we're going with the chicken pot over here. Mm-hmm. Alright, can take one more over there. Alright. Yes, I. And when you do them a type of frying, yeah, the key about it, fire. Yeah, man, a fire you want to take the chicken. The more fire you take the chicken, the better. Cause deep fry. Yard man style. So I have to well hot. When I say hot, I mean well hot. So do the right thing, subscribe to the channel. When we put on the vegetable on the fire, I'll show you what go on. Yeah man, that active you know. You seal off that already. That don't go on some mouth to eat it off. That done cook already. That done cook and go on some mouth to eat it off.
Active.
Yeah man, that fully active man. See it now fire take chicken you know. See them me? See them a boil in the oil you know. Yeah man, that me a talk about. You have to boil in the oil my peeps. And then you just cover a pot and make the fire and the pot do the work. Fully active yard man style. You know what I mean? Yes sir. When you see fire take a jar you know peeps, you know what time it is you know. Yeah man, me I take off some and eat cause don't cook you know, so me I move most of the fire them and out to stick them so somebody else can come get them to use. Yeah man, fully active man. Yeah man, that's a code man, the right thing, yeah? Fully active. Flour man, where do you put the flour for set now?
Yeah.
But I put the flour in a bag. So I put it for set. But I go fry dumpling. The oil when me use leftover from the chicken, the boss say, yo, you know, say this nice to fry two dumpling. Me just say, okay, me have flour, me have baking powder. So, boss say, Ray, vegetable one for done cook you now. Yeah, man. Just one stir. Make sure you put in raw band on the fire you know. Easy pre. Yes, I. You can start share by the time you done share. Vegetable ready to go on food peeps. Pretty. Nice yard man style. Fully active. Keep them a boss say them hungry. Sharing time you know my peeps. Yeah man look rice and peas, curry chicken. Yeah, man, curry chicken and mud. And then we put a little piece of fried chicken. And then we're good to go. Yard man style. I want to go through and share. 25 of them want to share, you know. So now if we share them balance, we make it can work. That one little chicken. And I try to share it as evil as possible. Little gravy. This is how we do it in Jamaica, yardman style on the riverside. I'm on book sunrise boss. 3 spoon of rice. So me give them 3.5. Kind of everything you have measurement, you know. I just you have to know what you do. Everything measurement there. I'm gonna get look of gravy same way. 25 of them I share out, you know. So I just go through and I share. Put in the rice and the curry. First I put in the chicken. Look on it pretty. Fully active. Fully active, my peeps. Yes.
No, man, we just call everybody.
Okay. Share out and same thing. Eat them for come eat and all and something. You say them a forward?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Man, close by, man.
Yeah, man, respect, me know that. Active. But when they tell the camera, after they're willing to tell the camera.
Uptown.
Yeah.
I own a friend of camera, so
Yes, I go and buy food. Nice lady.
the food tastes good, bad.
So,
But too much rice, though. I mean, I eat only for rice, but the food bad. Bad.
You know my style.
active.
My style is
How would that say?
yeah, about your style.
Insulin.
Yes, I buy food. Nice lady.
It's alright. You can eat. It tastes good. I joke me on it. It tastes good.
What's the over this?
Which part? Which part?
It gives you a little virus, but right now, because it's good.
Browning, taste the food and browning. Now I'm going to taste the food in front of the camera, browning. Take out a plate and tell me what I want. Man, the thing looks so. More like.
I love me drunk stage.
Yeah, mean man, tell me food taste, man. And I drunk stage.
Okay, you can give the camera your honest opinion.
Okay.
You can taste everything and I camera know what I want, man. Naturally.
Nice.
Yeah, man, active. Nice and clean too, you know, man.
We have two little boys.
Where's the one, browning?
Right now, me black out.
You know, some come and say me, the place shoot me, and I say, good enough.
No, it would not be good.
Yeah.
I don't know the 89ers. We have to big up 89ers.
No,
Alright.
one single leg for me, little baby.
It's a big man.
Yes, man, yes, man. That's the best, man.
Curry tastes like a goat though. Like a goat. It's a goat too, tastes good. Yo, me team one of you are fat one, yeah? Hey, yeah?
Smile with camera, man.
No,
You're rich for it, you're rich but you're rich for it.
Yeah, man. When the camera, man, I'm always going for your food. You know what going on?
Yeah, up there. First, me knowing him. And he bad.
Yeah, man, active. Body the active, man.
How much count? You have to keep on?
Who that? Oh, them coming now?
Let me still put my rice and food to them. Any more ladies will not eat yet?
It's a nice lady, where you go? The food taste. Alright.
Because you don't have to make me for the way, because I'm intoxicated. Whatever your favorite to try too.
Yeah, man.
The road.
How much more adult please?
Hello there, what about there?
Thank you. Mama. That's how way.
Mine. When you get them?
No, me bad for you and me hungry and me drunk.
Good though. When I can't cook so good, my you cook no.
No, I want to pay your money for that.
So you don't get paid for this?
Okay, I'm tell you, to be honest, so when I remember cooking, I'm charge per person. $8 US and $9 US per person. And you get what you want, you eat to the bus. That's what we do.
But no, I want free business, man.
No, free business. Yeah, some of us work in a little package and do a little thing. So they want to understand, there's you.
Alright, because that's not more.
Yeah.
I'm looking for the table food and he got one for me. I have a pan.
You want the man want to put the car, me run as yeah.
Top secret. I mean, yeah, this you're right thing I do, man. Food nice.
Yes, my man.
Huh?
You know, get it from? I don't.
Well, because I collect go kind of spot for that. Yeah, but I see, yo, I see the right kind of. I irritate them, you know. You can't do everything that seat.
What else? 4 o'clock? You can't have the bread, nothing when we want to drink. How are you, man?
You eat already? Go and go eat.
Yeah, man. Can't do that.
Show one flour and I taste it.
But that's supposed to be
You can't taste flour and know so you know the act like that. If you know the act like that, I cook long time father. Uptown, till you see thing load now. Jesus Christ, you one of the man. Up on the eye. I don't know what a float in the eye. How we have no fish fry?
I know you can't bobbe. Percy.
Fully active man from the riverside. Tell you, everywhere you look, you can see somebody sit down eating. You do a good job, Percy and Fry. And dumpling over there, so show you what I'm going to say.
I get no food, I have to fry dumpling.
Well, so we don't get no food, I have to fry dumpling.
Yeah.
And the first cookie this up and we get the food. Leave it taste good. Man, when I say I fry dumpling and dumpling, them are float in that pot.
The first fire, when sunrise, that cookie fire catch up quick and quick.
Dumpling and float in that pot.
Smoke. Make it have to do me, so.
So dumpling and float, man.
I'm hungry, you know.
You know you're hungry long time, you know, come and see you up here for your share of food, you know, but you see you come down, leave we not get none. Bubble it a bubble, and you really want steamed vegetable, look the person. Come and see you deal with it like you there, man.
Yo. Brother, when the man cook the fire, catch up good and quick. Fire give me hell. Dumpling on top float.
You say dumpling on top float. Dumpling on top float, you know. Mash man and mash up dumpling. Right now the females them are gonna have like an activity in the evening because we are line up for left river, you know. So you know the thing go.
Where's the one just done the music so far?
No, because you know go up there so go run, so once catch some excitement, you know go run too.
No, son, me can't run.
What do you mean you cannot run?
Me high now, like high like a kite. You don't want to see me proud out.
So she a go spread out if she run. Right now them a line up to do them really a race. Belly full and all of that you know, so them a go run out back the food you know. Them a pick side.
Who else there? You're gonna lose. You gotta come, Courtney.
Yo, this is gonna be a sample race, my peeps. This is gonna be a sample race. Watch out, you're gonna see this. This is gonna be a jam. Huh? Who can run from? Who can run? What go see what go on? Yes, soon. Jay. Racing time. Bike up to tea.
How many persons are Natalie? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I'm going to warm up for the race.
Everybody get active.
So how far we are going?
Come on, last.
Are you grass or run find out?
Yeah, make them done.
No.
So 3 of them are what?
Come on, my crew.
Just see me go look on sunrise.
You stay right here. You're up on my side, right?
And that water keep
On
it
my
sharp, different
side.
for sunrise.
Stay right there.
Yes, peeps. It's about to start Yardman style.
Natalie, you said you have 3 butlets already.
You must work out to do them. Can't lose. Yeah, man, see this stand to them I go run. I man see this stand. And here it's gonna begin, my peeps. Now they're ready to go, my peeps.
Then they tell her reach already. You want to change with him? Yes. Come, little youth, come.
Come before Esther.
Ready, they're coming. When they give you your rock, come.
Janet, I can give you and you can go get Cabell.
Ready, let's go. Take it down, that way. Rose, take it down, that way. On your mark.
Take more time, watch out.
On the mark. Get set. Ready? Go back down. On your mark. Set. Go.
Hey, somebody get that drop a while ago, you see. Somebody get that drop. Yo, God, tell her kids. It's a vibes. Some set a person just come in the kitchen just to get for them food. You know, thing said. Yeah, man, fully active. Yardman style. One uptown. See this full giant himself.
When they are showing, come 89 special, 89 a class of 89 is special.
Where's the drop?
Yes, we'll make sure the class of 89, the old people them. That them drop like that.
And then the old person drop, and a young girl drop.
So,
The old person never drop.
Who drop? So you know, sister.
Lee Bones and Courtney.
Yes.
And then
What bones there?
Come
We
on
can't
before
run.
you go. Run before you go. One run.
Everyone go watch you and come back.
Come run before you go.
Come
and
before
watch
you
it.
go watch it.
Hear me, no, man. You can't bet for me people and wait too long, you know.
But it's not 1, 2, 3. We are doing that. 1, 2, 3. Come Courtney.
Come Sunrise TV, you come to YouTube.
no, I'm not for shot it. I'm not for be on the camera so you can watch back on yourself.
Well, you're not pregnant, so get up.
Yo,
Come,
Percy.
When the sun come.
Come bones.
Yo, Percy. People say you can't come race.
Come on.
Courtney, let's go.
Come on, prove say your belly big enough.
Come Courtney, man.
Come on, man. And get your here's the ass up.
Oh, so right now, the woman them a run car go give the man them. Trouble be there. The ladies them a run chat, they give the man and catch all the one in a block. One are fully active, you know. Who know a bet pan papes? Who know a bet pan?
On your mark. On your mark.
Watch ya, you know my peeps.
Set.
Well, watch ya, watch ya, watch ya, watch ya. Who know a bet pan my peeps?
On your mark. Get set. Go.
Watch ya, you know my peeps. Watch ya, you know my peeps. Watch out, watch out. I know the one that reach the peeps. Watch out. I know she not reach. Look there. Look there. I know she not reach. Look there. Big people race my peeps, I tell you. It's a vibes. Yo, it's a vibes, yeah, man. Come like they done the activity, you know. So I finally I go show you down on the riverside, you know what I mean? Yes, I. On the riverside are pretty. It's up on the river bank. And all the liquor and something around us, so down on the river there. The sister them there too, but then they're further up the river. See them there up there, so. See them go check what go on. They're playing ring game now, peeps. Sure.
We can do it too.
that mash up it thing, you know. Nobody now go split, you know. She split, nobody now go split, you know. She mash up it thing, you know. That's why nobody now split, you know. That mash up a game. That mash up a game, peeps. Nobody split him.
So what can you do, Punchinello? So we can do it too, Punchinello. We can do it.
Just a badge on the riverside, the peeps fully active. I lie. They live in the river. Where you done with the river? Yeah, man, you catch panic now. Me just say me have come up there now. Oh.
Can't manage.
Yes, sir. Next sister, the peeps. That's one. Them have vibe. Catch all that one there whitey. Oh, Patty so white.
Nathan.
It's raining. Yes, we peeps. Right now, may I tell us, first of all, Happy New Year to all of my subscribers them all over the world. You know what I mean? Make sure you have a prosperity New Year. But you see, from here start, oh my God, we've been getting water. We've been getting rain. Whole heap of place at Jamaica wash out. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, but which part me there? The good speaker, you don't know. Always choose to the on the hillside. Yes, side. Yardman style. Now the kitchen now, you know, more cook some food. To them decide to cook some rice and peas. Cause you don't know, Jamaica we love the rice. Yes, I. So I cook some rice and peas, fry some fish, fry some chicken, and cook some pork. Yardman style. As you can see, I throw in the charcoal in the carry, catch up the fire for put on the peas for pressure. You know what I mean? Yes, I. Sister them there at Jamaica, you know what I mean? So them say they want dinner from me today. Both my sister and my father. So I cook dinner for them. My sister them say them want brunch stew pork with fried chicken. You know my father, Rasta, fish my father eat. So you know me I go through, put on the peas for pressure. When the peas done pressure, I fry the fish, get it out of the way, put one side, then we can start dealing with the meat time. Because you don't know, we don't grounds out the Rasta people. And if you don't eat meat, you don't have to worry. Now grounds out your thing. Catch me and catch up the fire now. Fully active. Just use my napkin. Yeah man, the same napkin in your kitchen, just use that with the same cooking oil. That's how I do it, yardman style. Get my lighter and then you light up the fire. And fire have to catch the peeps. You light it, you just put some charcoal over the napkin with the cooking oil. You know, say fire good to go. This is our sunrise basket in fire. Yardman style. Pop up your coal over here now. See that? Fire name Catch. This is our sunrise basket is fire. Yardman style. While the fire catch up, you can go and season the fish. Cut up the fish and season it up. Fully active. Ready to slice up this one half a bonita jack. Same look. Yes, I'm gonna slice them up here now. Then you can get in to fry. Yardman style. Can get couple slice well out tight. Yes, sir. Fully active. Slice up tiny peas. Cutlass are sharp, you know. Cutlass and knife this in a one, you know. Yes, sir. You know, miss. Wash off them now with some lime. And then you know, say, ready to fry, you know. Yardman style. Bonita jack. Alright, fire. Look like yeah, ketchup, you know. It's a good look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 slice. Yeah. Time to wash them off. Wash off and season up time, you know, with peeps. Wash them off in some lime water. Them fish, you know, you don't want them soaking in the water for too long, you know. Yeah, cause if them soak in the water for too long, when you fry them, they mash out. Them now gonna give you a good fry. You know what I mean? Squeeze out the lime. Right, see them now. Yes, I throw the fly water upon the board. Clean them off. And I'm gonna rest back the fish them right there. Yes, I see them. Pretty and nice. Born come so far that I eat them a fish and my peeps. Yes, I. Born come see me eat them a fish and you know, put all and pick with them. Supposed to love them a fish. Season them now with some fish season, little black pepper, and then you know say ready to fry. Look at them, pretty. Ready to season up. Right, half a fish head there, you know, me just go cook him down in a some gravy. Yeah, fry him up and cook him down, make some gravy. You know what I mean? Fish season. Yes, I just throw some fish season tips. You know what I mean? And you know, and a freshwater fish, you know, you see for the freshwater fish, you need whole heap of seasoning, but you see the fish will come out of the salt water, it don't need no whole heap of seasoning because the salt alone, trust me, the salt water alone when I come out of, make him full of seasoning because when we are going to see as little boy and you see him and the boatman them come in and give you fish and roast them on the seaside, nothing nice so. And we not put no seasoning. You know what I mean? Yes, I. In a real life, keep some black pepper you know too. Yeah, see pretty? Yes, I. Black pepper I'm up to on both side. Yeah, make the season go and soak in it. Yardman style. Sunrise Boss Production. Right, see you on the peeps. Give a little more black pepper. Then I'm ready for fry. Look at it, pretty. I'm ready for fry my peeps. We say fish eye just a look for you. Me know man, me know fish eye a look for you. It a look for me too. Atari soon take it. Yeah man, Atari soon catch it my peeps. Do the right thing. Subscribe to the channel. Fish season up, ready for fry. Have some flour here so now with some black pepper. Yeah. But if you start fry fish, now I'll never own and I go and fry up. Make the oil give oil a little buzz there. Yeah man, so what I do now, I just take the fish from out here so put it in the flour, twist and turn, and dust off and put in a pot. Oil hot, you know, come like all the oil maybe too hot. So if you see so the oil too hot, you have to just take off but the pot and make the oil cool down. So let's see if the oil too hot with peeps. Oh, you're gonna know when the oil too hot, them start catch color too quick. Anytime you see they start catch color, the fourth time you know so no sir. Fire one turn down, the oil too hot. I mean, if I wanna catch color already, my brown too quick. Yeah, just dip in the flour, twist and turn, knock off flour, and got a tile. See? Yeah, catch color too quick, but just give them a turn. And see, like how you put in one leap, see if the oil will cool down. But this is the first one going, that's how you see start catch color already. But look at that. Yes, I fish them off, fry. Outdoor settings, yardman style. Catch up me cold stove you know, so I can put on the peas over the cold stove. Yeah, that not go there now. While the fish they frying, catch up the cold stove. Fully active. First set this ready to come out now, look how pretty. Yes I gone in a pan there, pretty like money. Yardman style, every pretty. Yeah man, you don't have to have a big old gas stove to cook. You can be outdoor style. Only thing it takes a little bit more time, but trust me, your food good are even nicer than when you cook it on the gas stove. Believe me. Look on from them, pretty. Load, me I go load up back oil again. Yeah man, that one I cut big enough. So it may take longer to soak. So that in a soak, you know, you have to know cooking to it. That's why nice when I cut them thin. If you cut them big, them take longer to soak. Load them up back. Now it's no time. Big one they can go aside. So we go and soak, because we not deal with raw food, you know. Food have to cook good, you know, my peeps. Yes. Food have to cook good. Next set is fry, you know, my peeps. Yes, I one set fry crisp, and one set no crisp. Some like fry them. Yes, I fully active. Pretty and nice. Notice cold store ketchup, you know. Yeah, man, I cold stove, me fry them upon. Right, that's a cold, pretty and nice. But there's so the peas. Right, see my peeps, all of them are done fryer now. Nice and pretty. What I'm gonna do now, I'm throw out some of the oil here and fry up some onion, garlic, scallion, thyme and carrot and Irish and make like a fish gravy to eat with the fish, you know what I mean? So stay tuned for that. Here so peas in a pot, you know what I mean? So start boil up. Here so I just my little season thing that when I work with some coconut there. Now I go use cook done me rice and peas, so I'm gonna broke that. I'm gonna blend it up. Yeah, can't bother the grater in here now. Gonna blend up the coconut there. Get the milk. But so I go on here, garlic, onion, scallion, thyme, pepper, ginger, lime, cabbage. Yeah, make look with steamed vegetable. And some rice there. So fully active in the kitchen. You know what I mean? Yeah man, so just do the right thing. Subscribe to the channel. Cut up some onion and carrot and them things you know to fry up to make some fish gravy. Fish them pretty. Remember half a fish head? This is what I'm talking about. Yeah man, fry them up and make some gravy, throwing the Irish and carrot them, onion and all of them there. And make it go fry up with the fish head, then throw in some water and throw in little seasoning, cook them the gravy. Everything, yes I fully active. So now peas pot start bubble up. Yes I see it there. Peas pot a bubble up, me throw in scallion and thyme in here already. Let me go and cook with the peas. So it's a good look. So I go blend up the coconut here now to throw in the peas pot. But so me have pork a cook. Now make sure you don't cook the fish first and put the fish one side. Put on the rice, then you can start cook the pork. Cause you know say the father no eat meat, so you have to keep it clean, you know what I mean? Yes I fully time active. To grate a coconut, broke coconut now. Wow, coconut water good for your heart, you know boy. Don't even have no cup to catch some to drink boy. Jesus, PC bust up. I don't get no coconut water to drink. Taste what I go on. Yes sir. Active. Dig him out here now. Cut him up and go blend him. Now so you put the original coconut in your rice and peas peeps. You know what I mean? Yes I. Original are the best. If you don't have the coconut you can use the milk or the powder. But nothing nice like the coconut. Nice like the original coconut. Alright, see them? See them pretty? You know wash them off. Pretty and nice. That's how you want your coconut to look. Cut them up fine now. You put them in the blender. If your blender bad enough, you can just throw them in here like this. But you see through film no bad enough, me I go cut them up. So you just cut them up to how fine you want them, you know what I mean? Yardman style. Oh man, you don't have to fret on me and my hand, man. If you are using knife, you have to fret on you and your hand. See that? Cut them up. Throw them in a blender with little water. Because you don't want to throw too much water, you know. I remember saw the milk you want from out of the coconut. So you throw them in the blender with little water. Then you get your milk, sir. You want some of the coconut milk to cook down the fish gravy. Beat a buzz. You see there now. Quick and fast, I cut them up down. Less than 2 minutes. Then I go in a blender here now, my peeps. See the amount of water in a blender? Yes, sir. Because remember, you want the milk from out of the coconut. So you can fully blend the water. You just need a little water where you can cut. See that? There. See milk. Ooh, that is what I want. That is what I want. That is what I want. Alright, that's a code. Where did I put the cover? Okay, my peeps. That is what I'm talking about. Yes. Then this here now, I'm gonna strain it. So I thick, funny, thick and nice strain. Show you what I go on. Look at this. It'll come like a blend. Me blend it, and you squeeze it, and you squeeze it, and you get the milk. Just I show you what I go and look at the milk. This is what I want for my rice and peas. So I'm going to finish strain it out and go throw in the peas pot. Yardman style. Fish gravy pot a bubble, throw in some of the milk in the peas. Then make me go and go cook down. That's a code. And this cook down now and nothing normal. Yeah, man, that's for my father gravy. Yardman style. Soon cook me meat for my sister them. But through a pork, just I get my father fish out of the way. You know what I mean? Fully active. Alright. That's a code. So peas water change color. That's a code. Coconut milk gone in a pot with peeps. Yes. And you know me like put in look at my coconut trash too, you know, so I put in look trash in a while ago too. The trash there in the milk. So I just finish seasoning them up now with little salt and little other little ray and tete. Because I can't make your rice and peas taste like mine, you know. You know what I mean? You have to make the coconut milk cook still. So cover up the pot now and make the coconut milk cook for at least 7 to 8 minutes. Then we can wash the rice and put in the pot. Yes, I over here, sir. It's a bubble. It's a good look. It's a good look, my people. Outdoor cooking, look at it. Coal stove over there, so. Carrying, yeah, so. Yes, where coal stove the pan. Pan a bucket. We just turn the bucket upside down. Put on piece of zinc pan the bucket. Put on piece of half a black pan the zinc. Then I put the coal stove on top of the black. Then me a cook pan that. So that is what me say yardman style. You see pre? So as soon as it's ready for rice, put in the rice. Time to wash the rice here now and put in the rice in the pot. Cause you know in Jamaica we wash the rice, you know. Yardman style. Yeah man. Yardman wash the rice. So in your country if you don't wash the rice, that's your problem. But in Jamaica, we wash our rice, peeps. And when you say wash the rice, you know what I mean? Say you forgot wash the rice with no fab and a washing brush. I go throw the rice in the washing machine. Nope. Wash the rice. You see pre? Yeah man, clean it out. Anything wanna clean in, come out here. You see pre? Yeah man, that's how we do it in Jamaica. Make sure you wash your rice and in clean and nice. Wash them all 2, 3, 4 times too. Depends on how you steak. I have some rice, mucky and some, you see it? Yes, I. So you have to just spend time, wash your rice. Wash this at least 3 times. Yeah, man, give it at least 3 wash. I don't like how you look. Right, see here now. Yes, I. Look clean here now. Ready for your pot. Drain off water. And load up pot here now. Yes, I yard man style. Put him in a pot. Let a bubble. Smelling nice. Alright, rice go in a pot. So it's a good look. Can start cut up my pork here now. Now the green pepper, so I drop in a red pepper seam there. See you now stir up your pot with pigs. Yes, rice and pea settings. Butter code. Yeah, man, you cover up pot now. The pot and fire go do the work. We're going with this. This can come off here now. Yes, I gravy get thick up and nice. Yes, I see you know. Gravy thick up and nice with peeps. So you know so my father fish done with there now. Where rice are going with? Yes, I. Rice looking good. But pork me I deal with there now, you know my peeps. Pork you look fat though. Cut him up here now. Fish done here now. So pork time. We have pork for. We have pork when I go brown stew. And I have chicken where I go fry my peeps. Yardman style. Watch you see pork. Look funny. Look fat up there so. Skin fat. Cat, go here. Who you cat? Go and look where cat. You come here making noise. Yeah, man, I have to just spend time and take your time and cut it up. Yardman style, my peeps. Just don't touch your finger. Cut up all I wash him off with some vinegar and get him seasoned up. Yeah, man. Piece are nice. This nice. All if you go grill pork, yeah man, this nice for grill. Board a drop. Right, see my peeps. Take my time and chop, you know. Yeah man, chop and cut. That I have to go do. Get my knife same way too. And cut. Anyway the bone there, me chop, but when the knife can cut, me use the knife and cut. See? Fully active. Yardman style. Brown stew pork. I love pork still, you know. Yes, I love pork. Cause me always see my mother cook pork and fish for my father. But as what you see me do a while ago, I cook the fish first. Yeah, that's what my mother always do. Put on the fish and the food kind as in the rice or the dumpling them first. Then after she cook her meat. You know what I mean? So that's how me do it same way too. Cause my born come see my father no eat meat and my mother eat meat. So just imagine peeps. I'm gonna pork you cut up nice. The season up on brown stew. I don't know normal. Sister them are gonna lick them 10 finger. My mother I go say she sorry say she ain't have to taste some of this. See me done cut up, you know. Yes, I quick and fast, fully active yardman style. Throw him in a pan, you know. Wash him off with some vinegar. Then me get him seasoned up and put him on pan the fire. I think I put him in a pressure cooker too, you know, peeps. Give it a little push start. What you think? What you say him look tough? What you say him look tough? When he no look tough, I put him in a pressure cooker and give him a little push start. Yardman style. Come on, vinegar him up. Vinegar him up, my peeps. Pour some water upon him. Yes, I. That a code. Let me hear you say in the comment section. That a code. See? I have a next pan here, so now. When I just take them out, put them in the next pan. Ready for season up. Yes, I. Brown stew pork. Peeps, you can't tell me what to cook to, you know. Yeah, man, make the thing nice this year, man. You know what I mean? Because enough time there, you know, I can cook everything, you know, but me is like, what if you cook today? What if you cook and vlog? So you what go on now. In the comment section, you tell me what go on. Let me know what if you cook, please. Tell me what you want to see me cook. Yeah, man, nice up the thing for you new year. In a real life. Let me know what you want me cook. And me go show it to you out and me go cook it. You know what I mean? Yes, I. So for instance, Kim say, cook curry chicken and white rice. And I'm gonna say, okay. Today I'm cooking curry chicken and white rice on the behalf of Kim. You know what I mean? Yes, something like that. Fully active. Yeah, the man style. Yes, I. Right, season up here now. Have a little jerk left. It's bad to you know peeps. Oh God. Believe the man. Let's flash him out for meat. I'm gonna get some other season. Chew over him. I will get all my browning and all of them there. Some pimento seed. And the good old what? Jerk seasoning, my peeps. Look at that. And then what me do? Give it some browning. Is it? That a code. And you see through fry me, I go fry him up here now. I can bust a pepper and drop one half a pepper in it and garlic. Can get me garlic and ginger. Yeah man, me ginger. Can dice up piece of ginger in him same speed. Yeah, cause you know a pork. And pour coffee having ginger, my peeps. Yes, see it there. Garlic. And then me rub up all of them there together. Then me get my pressure cooker, put it on the fire with little oil, making pressure. Yes, see me now. Cut up my garlic. So everything when you see I saw going in the pot one time. See? Pretty. What me do you know? Just rub in everything you know, my peeps. So we say mad. You see this? See this, peeps? Oh God. One of the wickedest thing I heard you know. You put that on your meat. And one of the wickedest thing I heard you know. Right, look on it. Same pretty. But what me say me I do? Brown stew and a white stew. So that one more browning. Yeah man. And remember, too much browning will make your food bitter. But at the same time, I don't cook white stew, I cook brown stew. So I'm have to brown and pretty. Look at this. Ready for fry up. See it there now. Pork gone in a pressure cooker. Gone pan fire. Lock up pressure cooker. You see before me lock up the pressure cooker, let's take a little break. Take a little commercial break, you know what I mean? Yeah man, look on the nice, clean Airbnb here for rent, you know what I mean? If you're interested, you can let me know, you know what I mean? Because you're going to search for it on Airbnb, but them not on Airbnb at this time. If you want to book, you have to contact me and we can tell you how it go, you know what I mean? So just check out the nice, clean place here, you know what I mean? Fully active, yardman style. Lock up pressure cooker here now. When you say you like your place, so if you're forward to Jamaica, just check in with Sunrise Boss and we can make you stay at a nice and beautiful place at cheap and reasonable price, you know what I mean? Alright, lock up pressure cooker here now. Make meat go pressure to a little dimension, then I take him out and cook him back down, yardman style. What the rice pot are going with, I'm put it on you know, see it back. Look on this. Yes sir, this me I talk about man. Sunrise Boss production man. Yo, I forgot to say can't have your rock too much, you know, cause they say I see it kill me stomach puss. I mean now make you turn over my pot of rice today, you know, peeps. So before that, I go put on the camera and take my time story. But I'm fully active man. But look on the rice peeps, look there. Oh God. You see pepper yeah? Yes I mash them out both in a rice. Yes peeps. Rice and peas are active. Sunrise Boss production. Yeah, forward a Jamaica better book me for do some yard man cooking for you, yeah, man. It only take a little time, but trust me, when the food done, it have a taste nice. Look on that, peeps. Can't ask for nothing better than that. Jamaican rice and peas. Pretty. And it tastes good. Look on the rice grain them. Well cooked. Yardman style. So right now, rice done cook. The fish done cook. So just the pork and the chicken now to start fry. Yeah man, and Jesus please me have all vegetable for steam. But it's a good look. It only take a little longer time for done, but the carrying, I do the work with some charcoal. And over here, so the coal stove, I do the work with some charcoal. Jerk pan me have something for you, but not today. Coming up in our next video. Yes, I fully active yardman style. So me just catch this apart ya. You can go and keep warm. You think it easy. You think ram. Fully active man, just do the right thing and subscribe to your channel. Remember, tell a friend to tell a friend. Share up the video. Fully active. Can smell the pork. All of them now when I put in a gravy, you know what I mean? Yes sir, so I will cut them up from now. Put back in our water. So whenever the pork ready, we just put them in a throw in some water and make some gravy. But now tell up the pork smell nice already. Yeah man, just a cut up the carrot then you know what I mean? Yardman style. Remember when you cut down, cut your finger. If you want to cut your finger, nothing wrong. But me know me not cut mine. I am trying my best to not cut mine. Because as a chef, you have to get cut sometime, though. For even one time per year, you can't so skill where you not get no cut for years. And then the carrot cut up. Yeah. The Irish now. Then I just put in a gravy, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. You can cut up all it more things. For instance, you have all your sweet pepper, your tomato, you know what I mean? But right now, I just cut up when you have. Still on time. Piece of ginger. Mash them out. And just dice him up. You're gonna serve the dice up, you see it? So all of them have to go in the pot. So you can hear the pressure cooker in the background down. Yes sir. So you know say pressure cooker do it work. So then here now we're going to the pork pot a little bit from this. Take one up, put in that, so we can cover on up. Cause chicken more cut up here now. Yes. Alright, keep look back look water. Alright. And cover him up. Put him aside. That's a code. Yes, so me there now. Chicken time, me peeps. Get 2 pieces of chicken breast, see there? Yes, sir, them want me fried, so you know the first step. I skin my chicken. I don't know about you. That's the first step. Skin my chicken. Then normally inside they always have some stuff. This clean out already, but try and clean what you can clean. See, yeah. See it there. You wash off again. Put on the board and you cut to how you want it. Yeah, see it there. Same thing, same treatment. First thing, me skin my chicken. Enough people don't skin for them, but that's you. Me believe when me skin it, the season go to the meat itself. You know what I mean? Cause remember me I go flour it, so when me flour it, it's like me put on back a next skin pan it. So me take off all the skin peeps and put on back my old skin, yard man style. Wash off. See me, this a breast are bigger, so we can get 4 piece outside. Yeah, man, you see me? See me? Four piece. So I'm bone there, so my finger you want to cut. You know, cut my finger here today, you know. So you see, so me there on camera. Alright. See me, my peeps? Fully active. This ready for season up now. Cause you know some vinegar in the water there already, so give my next wash off still, cause you know I say you know see. So I'm gonna give my next wash off. See that my vinegar done now. Right, that gone there so. See them now? That's all. Ready for season up. I'm going to some flour, then some hot oil. Yes, I see me chicken breast, fully active. Give him some chicken season. Then me give it look and me jerk season. This well seasoned with peeps. See me? Ready for do. Ready for do my peeps. It's ready to fry. Talking about fry. So I catch up back the fire there now too. To put on the frying pot because I don't waste no time. Yeah man, I catch up back the fire my peeps. Put on back the frying pot. Pressure cooker work. It's a good sign. And it's a good look. Line up here now, start fry some chicken. Fully active. Just take off the pressure cooker. I want to put on the meat. The man looking good. Yard man style. Have some onion and fry up there. So in a little tip of oil. We want to take out them and throw in oil. We still have to use back the sauce in the pot, but we just want to give them like a little stir fry. Oil. You know what I mean? Then we throw back the sauce upon it and add some more water. I see pork skin then turn up and now my peeps. And the pork skin then a pork fat. Pork fat then a my peeps. I want to fully active, you know. Everybody cook different though. Yes, I. So look pretty. Okay, so this ready for your chicken too, you know. That one, see onion there go and fry out in the oil. The oil so spice and flavor. Onion fry out, you know me just flour the chicken. See the flour here. flour chicken and cook in a pot. Yes, sir, this a cold. Pretty. Just let him fry up for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Then we just throw a sauce back in it and throw some more water and throw in the Irish and carrot and all of them there. And make fat simmer down. You see it too? That's a cold. The chicken same way like how you flour the fish. You know what I mean? You might see them with the flour some already for put in, but I still show you the same way. Cause you know I teach me I teach, so you have to flour the chicken with peeps. Yeah. And then you got oil. See pre? Yes sir. So all of them do flour, put them in the oil, put them in a hot oil, put them in a hot oil, put them in a hot oil with peeps. Have 2 more peas. Hot oil. See the hot oil. Then you get the fork and you level them with peas. So the thing hot oil a catch. See that? Yes I. The fire and pot go do the work now. Yardman style. So I'm going to feed pork here now. Wow. Can feel that stick in our pot here now. Alright, you ready to cook down and now. See if you know peas. All the juice. You deal it back. I'm going to give back all the juice. So you get thick up. Alright, fully active, you can throw in the carrot and Irish them and thing you know. Time to take on out now. And I'm well fried up peeps. Soft and nice. Drain off the oil. Good. Put them over here, sir. In the dish. Yes, sir. Drain off the oil. Good enough peeps. Yeah, pretty. Yardman style actually done cooking now. Just like a steamed vegetable. And that's it. But over there saw a bubble. Pork pot that a bubbling up please. Now go put it back on this a fire here now. Yeah, this a fire here at the high fire. But through me a deep fry the chicken then, you need the fire for high. So that's why I move it. So I go on. Yes I so see the flour it. Let it get back it skin on it. Flour skin. You see it pretty? Yes I go on in a this. One pot of bubble, so I'm gonna move it from there, so put over here, so and give it final season up your peeps. Yeah, man, you go there, so put this over here, so you know. You go there, so right. Give me final season up your now, your peeps. Fully active. I'm throwing the carrot and Irish them already, you know. Yeah, well, them there in a pot already. So give me final season up there now. And pork done cook. Yardman style. Place getting foggy. Yes, I look over there. So the whole over there are foggy now with peeps. Place fog up. From here started in getting rain. You know what I mean? That's why place pretty and nice same way. All heap of birds are fly around and thing. But if you know forward a yard, want somewhere for rent, see the place there. You see inside already, see outside here. Pretty and nice, you know what I mean? We also have airport pickup. Yes, we do vaxi pickup and we do under pickup. Under pickup little bit dearer than the vaxi, you know what I mean? Yeah man, if you're in Jamaica and you want to travel in the Fat Coop, yes the right thing, just link up Sunrise Boss. Vaxi there in a garage. Z3, yeah man, fully active. Right now, what I'm want to do you know in the kitchen? Line up my steamed vegetable you know, cause that's the only thing left to do. So I'm gonna show you how I steam the vegetable, yardman style. We just have cabbage, scallion and thyme, onion, carrot. That is how we do it. Fully active. If I trade them with a trade it, you know them just not gonna use the cabbage and the carrot. But through me I steam it. I steam it down with some scallion, thyme, onion. Fully active. Wash him off too. Yes sir. I load in the wash off already, but see, give me a good wash off. So cabbage I know although me have the board, me like cut up cabbage in my hand. Meaning me like go like this piece. Although me have the board, me like use my hand. Yardman style. You see it? Yes sir. So me just go like this. Fully active. That's why I say more. Fully active my peeps. Yes sir, you go like this. You see me? Yes sir, all of that. Use everything, nothing on waste. Nothing on dash. Cut up the cabbage hard to cause a steam we are going to steam it. You see it? Alright, onion. You can just dice up onion so. You just feel awkward using the board, peeps. Could you believe that? You feel awkward using the board. Me like use my hand man. Yardman style. You see it? Yes sir. I like using hand. Believe it. Scallion and thyme. Yes I. Put over your thyme now. Yes I. And the carrot now. Wonder how me I go do it. Okay, that's why me have this a thread mashy. Thread grater here. Me just do like this. This nice with all your fried dumpling or your boiled dumpling in a piece. See it? Easy like that. All of them you now mix up together. Put in a pot with little cooking oil, little water, and you throw a little seasoning pan it. And you know say that's what? Steam vegetable. Go on in a pot. What we say peeps? Steam vegetable. All of my guests when we come Jamaica when I cook for them and I give them the steamed vegetable them is like, bro, can I get some more? And I'm like, yes man, no problem. Yeah man, you have to throw some seasoning over him. Easy pre. Yes, steamed vegetable. Yardman style. We give some cooking oil. Don't want a whole heap of cooking oil. Steam, we go steam. That are cold. Then you give some water. And you just do put him over on the fire. You can go steam. Yardman style peeps. Get your cover and you just put over him. Let the fire on the pot. Do the work. Everything done cooking now my peeps. See that gravy get all thick up. Yes. Yes. See it there? Yeah man, everything done cook now. Look how gravy thick and nice. That a code. Yeah man, put on the pork spoon the far over so. Store with vegetable now. Look on the vegetable now, peeps. Yeah. Yes I. That's what I talk about, see me? Steamed vegetable ready. Butter cold. And if you pot hot. Oh, you know too hot man. Can't bear this a bun because they say woman and man bun hotter than this. So I can't bear that little bun there. Eh, yes sir, they say when your partner give you bun a hot piece of something, you know. I put on a pot here now. You know what I want to do peeps? I want to cook some animal food. Yeah man, me have some dogs. I want to turn some cornmeal for them. I have some meat in another bag here. Yeah man, mix up with couple rice and something, but everything I go fry up. Some whole heap of fat and skin and something, you see it? Yeah man, I go fry them up. And then throw in some water and throw in the cornmeal, turn some cornmeal for the animals them. So do the right thing, subscribe to the channel, fully active. Or when you think me don't cook, me no don't cook. You know what I mean? Yes I fully active. Finally reach. Where say find a pork pot? Yeah man, me fry fish for Rasta. You need a far one. So man, come man, Ghana pot peeps. This is 14 dumpling. I see come Ghana pot. You could wait little.
Yeah, man. Come like it just come out for yourself.
You're right inside.
No, you take our food look different in Jamaica.
Yes, peas, rice and peas, fried fish, chicken, Rasta fish gravy, steamed vegetable, and the pork way over there, so pork the far from the Rasta thing. You see the pork there, fully active. So now we're jelly them.
Depending on where you look at it, you see what you can come.
Nah, we not time. Yeah, take some of my vegetable too.
I eat vegetable.
Can I take some of my vegetable?
You fast, you can't do that. Don't do it.
Yes, peeps. My brother, my sister, there's some next sister for forward and my cousin. No juice, no, there, we no can no juice. My son of can juice. Well, no juice no there. Look, I see a big buckle of water here. See a big buckle of water here. You have to go running here. Yeah, man, you have to run in the water, man. You can't do big old cup. Easy. 14 dumpling. Big like a buckle cup, everything match. Yes, please, fully active, man.
I want to come and run in and done, you see? You know, show them where to
Then I have my t-shirt. Then I have food here.
Yeah, a spoon of warm man, see there. As we talking to people, see them put on the foot. Fuck can't help him. Fuck can't help him, man. A spoon of warm man, yeah man. Spoon. Spoon of warm man. Yes, peeps, I place this man telling you one earlier on. Yeah man, you can book it, man, you know what I mean? Nice and clean place. Yeah man, it's room round and some. See pretty, yeah man, nice and clean settings, you know what I mean? Yeah man, place active, man. 14 dumpling can do all in the corner there, so. So what about the food now, 14 dumpling?
You have to, man.
You active? You think him big? Wait till you see my next sister. Him big.
And a 14 dumpling, she mash up around 16 dumpling. So when I mash up 14, next one I mash up 16. Well, so you can't wait no longer.
You know, make no sense to it. You gotta let me know the fire in
Yes, sir. So you see that people just love the outdoor cooking, you know, because you could have cooked on the stove, you know, so. But we use a yardman style outdoor cooking. See you next sister, the people. Watch out, just like Ganina say, come, you know, kitchen, you know, peeps. As we come, our kitchen. Me text and tell us if you can juice. Sister and cousin that you forward from Bahamas. How I go now? You have to eat the whole eye, you know? You have to eat the whole eye. No like a strictly chicken breast, you can call 2 chicken breasts. You can't send this man to go shopping. Nobody ever cook on here, yes, me a cook today. Me never cook on here, see. So the food have to be too, you know. You have question, eh? Yes, sir. Wanna share out for you, Rasta? Rasta, hear you?
It's right there. Oh God, poor children.
You have to leave inside, do ya? You have to leave inside, do ya? You have to leave inside, do ya, man? I saw Granny get the pork a beer fat. Your battery says she want to be, she says she want to roll it fat. So give her a roll it for them. For me no come out yet, you know. Because I know when you come in and normal, you know, foodie. Look for them peeps. One sister, one, and my brother over there, so me alone, Marga. So they no ramp with food. See them way like me no ramp with it, but you just can't get fat. So what else? Vegetable do that too, you know. You know vegetable. Still, you know, you know take some of my vegetable. Or it taste. I say everything I breast alone.
Patrick, you want to fish? So, you know water.
Now the one that's a choke me about give me look water. On them plates. Them now play. Make some of veggie for Rasta too. Aya. Say aya.
Papi, when I sleep.
And look at this, peeps. Yes. Same jerk season a season up everything. Everything that season. Man chop off whole of curry top. And you see when you're cooking curry, you have to just know the right amount of curry to use. Fully active. Yes, I see chicken here now. Yeah, kind of a little bit tough. But you know, say, clean him out same way. Yes, I. And cut him up because our curry chicken and fried chicken. So, I'm going to make sure it's skinny. Yeah, man, take off his skin. Yeah, that's me. And then I cut him up here now. What am I deal with first? Fry or curry? Alright, let's see what I'm going with the fry. Yeah, man, see? Then I have to fry. Yeah, man. Done. Wash them off back. But them there, I got fried peeps. I know people love fried chicken breast. So I make sure I fry whole heap of the breast. See? Yard man style. Yeah, man, cut just the one thing and cut them one way, and now same time I fry them. Each person can just get one in a them plate or 2 piece, and you know the thing set. Yes, I. Bossing. See me? So first, you don't know, you buy your mixed parts. You gotta clean them out. In a real life, make sure some clean out nice. Then me now, I don't like chicken skin, so I remove the chicken skin. Yeah, man, you remove chicken skin and I remove the oily bag. So when you heat, nothing no bother you. No skin, no oily bag, I just straight good food. See pre? That's how you know. Alright. See that? Yes. That's a code. So I just go through, line up the set then when I go fry. And then line up the next set. Bless. When I go curry. Yes, I. Chicken breast, I look on now and a fat. Yeah, man, I'm me, man. Me there. Sir, boss. Hear them ask if me no know who. So all you pass and you see me. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yes, peeps. No people them take time I reach in here now. So me do what me have to do. But look on them piece, good amount of chicken in there, you know. Chicken breast, chicken wing, chicken leg. You know the thing go. I wait it them. We'll fire it them. Oh yeah man, you can carry them in man. Or you left them on the crime scene. What kind of man? We come here and see some fire tick and we use some fire tick and then take them and left them on the crime scene. Come push them on the fire man and you we can see them. Yes, you need to hide. Alright sir. So you say them the solid? Melissa blow them down. Don't go cut them up, alright sir. Yeah man, fully active. Only patch chicken is fry now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 27 piece. Give them 130 piece of fried chicken. A 30 piece of fried chicken, my peeps. You have to just make sure it's meat clean up good. Chop up fine, whole heap of chicken. Chop up some fine, you know. Thick curry. most of you alone are come to Jamaica and you want to experience something like this, the real authentic food, you can check Sunrise Boss, man. You're not sure only one person. You cook for one person. You know what I mean? Yes, I. If you know a friend, I come, tell them about me. Yeah, that's where they're gonna get the best food, believe me. You know what I mean? The best food right here. On the riverside. Cook from start to finish. You see everything. Just a season up and trust me. When the food done cook and you eat this food, it come like you need season up from 6 months ago. And as you can see, it just have a season up. But cooking how me like, you know what I mean? And cooking like me. Curry chicken. So let me know in the comment section if you love curry chicken. Let me know in the comment section which one of them you prefer today. The rice and peas with the fried chicken and curry gravy, or you prefer some curry chicken and rice and peas. Over there. Over there. Almost done, you know. Yes, I almost done, you know. I think I one piece left. If none left. Don't like chicken skin. You season the chicken with the skin, and the skin you season up under the chicken itself. So I like remove the skin and season the chicken. Yes, I see it here. Feel like more teeth, 2 pieces of breast from out here. Chicken breast. So we check back this again, nothing of this. So what I'm going to do now, clean up the surface, and then we start do some seasoning up. When we're ready to start do some seasoning up, to show you what I do. If you like it, subscribe to the channel. Remember, tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah, man, season up here now. Yeah, you know when you season up, put on onion, garlic, scallion, thyme. I don't know how you season up your thing up peeps, but this is how me season up mine. Yeah, man. Fully active, see generally just a forward. That's a code.
Yeah, man.
Yes, I. There I do what me do best. Cook some food. Alright, skin off the onion, cut up the onion, throw them over that. Some onion and pepper, scallion and thyme. Let me have more. Oh yeah, man, me have more onion. Because I have some vegetable more steam. So you know. So I have to have onion to steam with vegetable. Just throw them in some water. Get them clean. Cut up. You know what time it is. Alright, see them here now. I'm gonna wash off. You just cut them up to how you want to cut them up. If you don't want to cut them up, you can just fling them in it. But me I cut up mine. Onion is a must. Garlic, scallion, thyme, pepper, all of them there is a must. This is what we call yardman style. Now I use a board to cut up the seasoning and just cut them up in my hand. Alright, scallion and thyme. You know you have to strip it off. And then you have to strip them. See, strip and take off what you don't want. And one of the panny. Alright, see that now? Cut up time. Alright, see that? What is this? What is this? That good man. What is this? Pepper. Remember the pepper, you know where the pepper you come from? The farm. Remember the farm around at the back of my yard when I plant some pepper. Around them I pick off them off. You know pepper scarce. I go search around there and I find pepper. Yeah, you know curry, go with pepper. Yeah man. See you know? Trouble did it. Yeah man. Trouble did the peeps. You know you circle. You put some thyme. Because you know it's what? Cooking time. Yeah man, and you know curry can't bad without what peeps. Curry can't bad without the ginger. Yeah man, you have to put in the ginger. Beat him up. Wash him off. And cut him up fine. Yeah man, I don't like see ginger in a pot big like a piece of meat. No, if it's fine, cut it up fine with peeps. Yeah man, you see it? Yeah man, dice you up. See him there? Alright. This is how you know my carrot. And yeah, me just put everything in it. First you pass it jerk season the film, you know. Yeah man, cut up some carrot. Yeah man, jerk season and curry. Yeah. Better pack curry. You know that are the best curry. Yeah man, I have to check more time if the microphone on, you know, cause you know what thing go. You want to wash off and cut up carrot. So curry are gonna look pretty, taste nice, everything active. You must have said, so why you put everything on here now you not put the season? Come on, everything to taste nice. So I season up everything one time. Pretty, we're not putting a sweet pepper yet. If you put piece of sweet pepper in it, you know, sweet pepper expensive, you know. Yeah, active. Yeah, man, $1,000 a pound for sweet. $1,000 a pound for sweet pepper, you know, peeps. Yeah, yes, I. See, you know, fully active. What you say? Are you a fans of curry? If you are fans of curry, link up Sunrise Boss. Cook the best curry I yard. And a cap. The best curry, me cook that. Look at that now, please. This is the jerk season in Jamaica. We call it jerk season. Look right here, so show them what I want. It's a pimento seed that just jump out tight. So this is the only thing you need to season up your meat. Trust me. You don't need no other season. You just need a jerk season. Alright, look at that. Rub everything together. Look on that, peeps. Yeah man. See him there? Oh god. Pretty. Give him some more jerk season. Rub. Look at that. Pretty. Time to do what you know. Curry. Yo, boss this stuff in the please. I'm gonna bust up the curry and throw some curry over it, you know. Then the next time you see this, you know upon the fire, they're looking at you pretty, man. You pretty. Peeps, you tell him to bust the curry. You really bust it for true. Look at man chop off all the curry top. And you see when you're cooking curry, you have to just know the right amount of curry to use. Because when you deal with white curry, you see it? Yeah man, curry fi stay in plate, but at the same time, too much curry will make your meat bitter. So you have to just know what you do. But me say curry stay in plate. Yeah man, curry stay in plate. I put curry over the meat and I put curry in the oil. Fry up some curry in the oil. You see it? Yes, I. Right, look at this now, peeps. To them, I think I chattings. I know this, you know. I don't feel me, I feel for this, you know. Look at that. Pretty. On the gloves, them. Corridor, stay and plate. Yeah, man, this ready to go up on the fire, you know, Fully active. Chicken time, you know. Peeps, you never eat curry fried chicken. Percy, where's some for the curry, some fried chicken, throw curry over here. Percy say yes, peeps. But here we are going. Me not gonna do it now. You see when we are gonna cook one food, curry fried chicken. Show them what I go and look at this peeps. Yes. Same jerk season I season up everything. Everything that season up. You just rub in a season. Yo. Look at this one. Look on this my peeps. Wow. Wow. Yes. And if you notice, when me a season up, I don't use no salt. Yeah, you have some people when them a season up, then use salt. No, this season already having salt. And you know, use like a chicken season that I give chicken them a nice, like a pretty color. You will see the difference when the chicken season rub on. You see pretty, try you know, you see it, look on the different you know. Chicken them get prettier now when the chicken season touch it. The great Maggie, the magic season. Look at that. Pretty and nice. And we still have something else sweet. These are the coloring season now. This make the chicken pretty, pretty, pretty. I go see what go on when we start story. Look at this now. I see our chicken pretty now. Extra pretty. Oh God. They come like them season up from 3 months ago. Then just season up. Yeah man, look on that peeps. Fully active yardman style. Chicken ready for fry. Chicken ready for curry. Fully active what going now. Yes I got some plan to cook my dinner. Outdoor style. Yardman style. Throw some fire coal now in a carrying. I'm gonna catch up my fire now, you see pre. So if you don't know if you catch up outdoor fire, watch and learn. I'm gonna have me napkin.
And me have my same cooking oil. Same cooking oil I'm go cook with. You know it can catch fire. Yes, I. Just throw them over your napkin and you light. And that's fire, peeps. Fire affy catch. See that, peeps? So you just pack up your charcoal over the same napkin with the cooking oil. Can't pack up too much coal, because you outy. It's just like how rain and fall now. Time cold. Trust me, Sally. Fire coal cold too. Is it? But it's gonna catch. Just take a while before it start blaze up. So while the fire catch, you can go season your meat kind or grate your coconut or do what you want to do in the meanwhile. What me I go do in the meanwhile, me I go scale my fish. Yeah man, wash off me and scale my fish. Have some blackjack I go deal with. Sea rough, I go look fish to buy and think I could have get some blackjack. So wash off me and scale them. I have a one sour sap same way too, with more juice. Yeah man, so me have a lime there. Use the lime and wash off the fish them, you know what I mean? So steam fish and crackers. Yeah, that me I deal with, and I have piece of soft yam, yeah. One boiled piece of soft yam, you know what I mean? Yes, I yard man style. See, we have bag over there so with everything. Kitty kitty. Yeah man, in the last video I know I say kitty say want feed me bait. You know, and even my kitty though. A neighbor cat in a piece, but I always come over here and look food, so me feed him now and then, not all the while. See that? Fire ketchup. So I'm gonna wash off onion now and start scale fish them. Fully active. Fully active in the outdoor kitchen. You don't know the thing go. Yeah man, shout out to Vanessa. Yeah, cause I don't know in the last video me asked what want me cook. Don't know Vanessa did chip in and say she wants steamed fish and crackers with some boiled food. Well, me hungry could I get some yam, so this similar to what she asked for, you know what I mean? So what I'm trying to say, yeah, watch that video here now. Let me know where you want me to cook in the next video. Maybe you are go lucky if you get a shout out next, you know what I mean? Fully active, yardman style. Vanessa, big up yourself. See your steamed fish and crackers with your boiled food, yardman style. You say you've been watching for what, 8 years? Really respect and appreciate that. Big up yourself in a real life. Fire ketchup, good peeps. One fire blaze. And that pot there. So just I go through here now. Scale off the fish them quick and fast. Yardman style. You know what I mean? Yes, I. When a little bit me I like scale fish, you know. For the rasta man, so me scale whole heap of fish when me little bit peeps. So for me little bit, I don't like to scale fish, cause each time I scale them, I'm a little bit fish bone used to bore up my hand. You know what I mean? Yeah man. Just clean them up quick and fast, cause about couple minutes to 6 you know, so you know so the place will get dark quick and fast. So me use as much as possible of the sunlight that I can use. Kitty. You say you don't like fish and you still you can't swim. I'm afraid of water. Just clean out the fish gut and the fish gill. Because you know you have to do that. When you don't scale it, just make sure so you clean out the gill properly. Yes, I fully active. See, clean out properly. Then I'm ready for wash off with some lime, and then you know I season them up. I'm ready for going at the pot. Wash off time. Wash them off with the lime. Then you know thing go. Throw on some season upon them. Some jerk season with little black pepper. See pretty. Just take your time. Rub in season them both in and out. You know what I mean? Yes, see pretty. Yardman style. So them are ready to go in a pot. Yeah, so right now pot a boil up. So I'll cut up my pumpkin, put in a pot my piece. Peel off my pumpkin you know. Cut up, put in a pot. Because you know when you steam fish we get the pretty color there, the pumpkin give the color there, you see it, so you put the pumpkin in the pot first. Yeah, when you see him, cut him up, put him in a pot. And make him go mash out, cook and mash out peeps. This is how I do it. I don't know how you steam your fish. I go check all two and I could even get no okra. But you know the thing go, okra can't stop me from cook. I use when I have. I'm on job piece of time in night cause you know. If you're not cooking you have to use your cooking time peeps. Scallion. Yeah, man. I want green pepper. Just barely tap all a little part like this. Yeah man, and put him in a pot. Tip little more water and cover him up. And make that take time. Cook you know, soon as the pumpkin then get soft and mash out. Can put in me carrot and Irish them and then me put in me fish as you pray. You put in little fish season too. Yeah man, so this a fish tea. Just put little in and go and give him that buzz there. Like the fish tea are still, you know, full of no go.
like the regular cotton noodle, you see it? Me tear off all the top. Yeah, man, see the fish tea. Can give it a try. You see it, pre? Yeah, man, see it, you know, full of them whole heap of noodle. Way down there you have some. See they put on top. Yeah, man, you have what I want, so I don't have to strain it. Yes. Right, cover up that now, make that go and go cook down the grapes. Cut up my carrot here now. You throw in a pot, cause you know say pumpkin no take no time for cooking up peas. You know what I mean? Remember when you steam your fish too, you can use anything or whatever you want to use. Right now me I use what me have. Now nice, I could have get some okra but me check. Can't get no okra, sir. So I just use what I have, you know what I mean? Yeah man, it go nice with okra or without okra. Let me hear say in the comment section. Believe. Yeah man, fully active. So this is how me just dice up my carrot. See him? Yeah man. Throw him back over water. Pumpkin too. Still I put in more pumpkin in it too, you know, people. Then one I'm cut, then one are big. The Irish. You know, the Irish same way. Dice him up. So I cook my dinner and I show you what I go on. Yardman style. You know when guest book and me a cook, you nah go short and nothing. You have to have everything, your okra, everything. But show me I do it for myself, me just I do it yardman style. You know what I'm way there? Yeah man, fully active man. Just do the right thing. Remember, tell a friend for tell a friend. Subscribe to the channel also. Like up the video, share, and you know what I mean? Just do the right thing. In a real life. See what I'm going with the pumpkin here now. Aye, peeps, the smelly green pepper in a pot. Pumpkin I crush out in a pot and get thick up. And that. Yeah, don't want to squeeze out the pepper here in no cause pepper smell mad already. Look on that get too thick up. Go get some more. Make more water. You don't want a whole heap, you know. Cause remember no fish soup here boy. Steam fish as you pray. Yes. See this? Yeah man. So all of the pumpkin them we're going to eat first. We mash them out. So you get the color when we want. Yeah man. Fully active. No time where I throw in all of me carrot and Irish them stuff them when me just cut up some pimento seed and all of them things. Yeah. Then you know up on top of that now, and when me I go put the fish. Yeah man, on top of this, when me I go put the fish. Soon as this start boil up back and carrot them cook to how me want it. You know me just put in the fish them on top and put in some crackers on top and you know eat that because steam fish now take long for cooking up it. Yeah man, fish. When you steam fish, don't take long, less than half an hour. Steam fish ready.
Yeah, man. Believe. Fully active. Just the right thing. Subscribe to the channel. Look on the yam peeps. Yeah, man. Nice. White yam. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna do use peace time. But I say 3 pound. Which piece we use? Alright. Like white yam, you know, my peeps. So I use a piece. Yeah, man, peel him off. Yes, yes, son. You know, say this is a white yam. I got nice. Right now, the pot can take in fish them too, you know. But just a peel off the yam. Put him in some water. Make him go on easy back to me ready to put him in a pot. You know what I mean? Could even get no boiled banana. I'm not want no dumpling, you know. So could even get no boiled banana. But see me, boil yam, like steamed fish, sunrise bar style. You know what I mean? Yes, I fully active. So make sure everything clean up nice. Alright. That can go one side now. And know say whenever the fish come off of the fire, can boil the yam. What the fish pot are going with. Wow. Fish pot are bubble my peeps. And things around here start tumble down. When they put the fish them in another bag of cars, want the pan for use. So drop them in a pot here now. Easy like that. Drop them on the top. Okay, look at that now, my peeps. Yes, I. Yardman style. Pretty and nice. You know what I mean? Thick up and the okra night. Suppose okra day night. With a thicker. But look funny, fully active. And then just make them cook a little bit, then put in some crackers on the top of it. You know what I mean? But look funny, pretty. Kitty. Steamed fish and boiled soft yam. Pretty me peeps. Just do the right thing and subscribe to the channel. Remember, tell a friend if you tell a friend. Yardman style. Outdoor cooking. Look on the fire. Fire burn red. Pretty. Alright, you must active now, you know. Wow. Pretty. Look at that, my peeps. Pretty and nice. See the pumpkin geety color? Yeah, man. So you know what I'm going to do now? Put in some crackers in it. Yes. So you see, all of them juice the way I see. Yeah, man, crackers are take up enough of them juice the peeps. Because when you do steamed fish and crackers, you have to make sure you have a good amount of what you call it, gravy or sauce or juice. You have to make sure you have in whole heap. As soon as the crackers start take up the juice, you know how the thing go. You know, say no gravy now going in the pot. Okay, man, so I'm doing peeps. Steam fish and crackers. Can't say steam fish and okra. Can't okra no in it. Boy, steam fish and what my peeps? Steam fish and crackers. Yeah, man, a little bit from this now. It's done, you know, my peeps. Yeah, man. After you put in the crackers, them, you know, it's a couple minutes after that, steam fish done. Fully active. Yardman style. And this is my dinner. My evening, yeah. Soon as this done now, I can put on me yam, boil some yam. I mean, fully active. Now I have a full jar of this, my peeps. I'm ready to take it off, show you how it look. This was ready and now, you know, my peeps. Alright. Yeah, man. This ready and now, you know. This do my peeps. This fully active ready and now. See it there? Less juice in here now. This will come off a fire. Yeah. Alright. Just let's see more wire so. Yeah, man. Look at the peeps. Pretty. Pretty. Yeah, man. No, I'm not dropping here. Boil me yam here now. Pot cover here, drop down in a pot, easy yourself. Soon as pot start bubble up, I put in the yam in it, peeps. Then you know it's a food done cook. Just I go juice my sour sap. And you know I eat that, but the sour sap when I juice that, I go in a house, I go in a kitchen, go juice the sour sap. You see, pre? Yes, I fully active. Steam a come out of pot, so you know what that mean. Can put in the yam them. You see what go on the night cooking, how are you, bossy? One bug that, you know, that's why pot of keep lock the save you. You know about dead tonight. Go and go live. Alright, peeps. Put them there in a hot water. You want to see it there? Then go and go boil. Fully active. Yam done boil now. Now so I go up a kitchen, go juice my sour sap, and dinner is ready. Could have put in some more fire coal tea, you know, but it no make sense. I waste me, I go waste it. More fire coal in it, and quicker the pot boil up. You see it, pre? But just I go wait. We have in less fire coal, so it'll take a while before them cook. So when I master, I'm going easy back. Fully active. Alright, yam. You look active you know, you know. Yeah, man, food done cook you know, my peeps. Go upstairs and I'll go juice me sour sap. If you want to watch the video, you remember how I come by that sour sap, yeah? You know what I mean? Yes, what do when I go over yard, I pick it. So, I go up a kitchen now, go juice a sour sap, yeah, my peeps. Share out some food, mash up some food, yardman style, fully active.
Fired all of the bullets. Yeah, you shot me through the heart. Casting dice and roulette. The game was set right from the start. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna know, I don't want it anymore. I don't wanna go, don't wanna know, but I keep coming back for more. Crashing down in the rain, all things are burning up in flames. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Crashing down in the rain, our love will never be the same. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Yeah, the air's getting thinner, higher than high we go. Again,
Fully active. Making my kitchen now. Alright, wash off on. And you know, sauce up time, my peeps. Juice up, sauce up, You want to see them? Right. So you know what I'm gonna do? Take off the skin. Because I juice them in the skin, but take off the skin. Skinny sauce up. Yardman style. This is how you juice sauce up. You have a powerful blender now, you just drop in a blender. See? Put him over there, so get some clean water and juicy. Just skin him off. Sauce up. Nice. Good for you, peeps. So look, when I take off the skin, just squeeze him. You throw in your water. Yeah, you don't want too much water, Because it's like juice in a coconut. If you throw in too much water, you're not going to get the milk out of it. So the same thing with the sauce up here. If you throw in too much water, yeah, you're not going to get the real sauce up juice. So you have to just throw in the right amount of water. Because you can't make it too thick neither. Because it now go strain. And then you squeeze him. See him look. Yeah, this now straining. Squeeze 2 lime in here, 1 lime. And when you see lime, get my knife and cut him. And squeeze the knife from now, so when you strain it, you know, so yeah, I'm good. The lime come off from my tree too. Same there, the soursop pick. I same there, the lime pick. Alright, that a code, my peeps. Yes. So you just make this soak for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Then you strain it, sweeten it, and that soursop juice. So I'm going to make him sit down for 15 minutes, go up on a little smoke break. Then by the time I come back, you know I'm active, ready for strain. Alright, time for strain here now. Time to do one of the tapes, strain, make sure so you squeeze out it good. Remember, say soursop juice, so the soursop, the juice, you just throw some water to help take out the juice out tight, so you have to make sure, say, you squeeze it good. Yeah, so soursop juice is thick and nice. Sometimes some people make soursop juice gear. Come like when I buy a soda at a shop with water. Yeah, soursop juice with water and peeps. So white and pretty. And no condensed milk not going on yet. Although I'm not going to use a condensed milk, I'm just going to use the sugar. If I use condensed milk, but I put in like dragon tone, but just soursop with sugar and lime. So thick, pretty, white, nice. That's how your soursop juice will look. sweetening me now with some brown sugar. It's nice if you have white sugar, you see. If you have a white sugar, you know so you're not going to change the color. But when you throw in the brown sugar in it now, the color will change. You're going to see what I'm talking about. Brown sugar. I don't know, even to be honest, you don't even have to use any. You don't have to use no sugar in your soursop juice, you know, peeps. Because soursop done sweet already, but you want a little sugar in mine. See, brown sugar touchy, you get brown, and thick up and nice. You just want some crushed ice, and you want everything nice. Yes, sir. It's ready now, please. Strain them off. Good to go. Taste what I go on. Yes, sir. By the time I show me crushed ice, them in eye. You know, say the ice are going to melt out. So when I get back a little bit fresh, so that one more time. Right, strain them off here now. Hard man style peas. Yes. I'm going to drop in the ice there. Right. Peas. That are cold. Share some food here now. Show you what time it is. Fully active food time. Share what time you know. Good look while now, but you know, we go all that fresh. And easy back a little bit. See, pre. Yeah, man. We just warm up back food them on the stove, yeah. Right, steam fish time. Fish all the basket. And the same peeps. Some crackers. With the soursop juice in our fridge, now we are gonna keep cool. See this steamed fish and crackers with soft yam that are cold. Soursop juice. Steamed fish and crackers with boiled soft yam. See my peeps, pretty. Digging at this here now. Time for digging at this here now, my peeps. Crackers active. Your side. Acting the plate. Taste where black jack are going with. Black jack can go on, man. always see blackjack a sell, never buy. But through fish space now, I have to buy. But it tastes good. Active peas. Brother, I want to expert. Just kidding, you know, say anything with the peeps, you're always active. As you pray. So you see me set up a camera over there, so I want to get up to the top of the camera piece. Your food active, I can't get up. If I go and dig in it, I don't know who no mind watch me. Yeah, nice. Bomb. Just do right thing, like, share, subscribe. And leave a comment if you like to. And remember to check out the place here. If you're forward to Jamaica and you want somewhere to stay, your man can book the place and just contact me. We'll pick you up at the airport, cook food for you, tour around the island, bring you back at the airport, send you back home to your family then, safe and sound. Yardman style.